tunajumuika pamoja wa Makueni, wa Machakos na vile vile kwa sababu tumezungumza kwa simu na Ngilu jinsi pia wale wa Kitui the third part of Sekeb na wao vile vile wataamua na our people vile vile the assemblies are not doing this because they've been forced by anybody. I didn't myself want to force the people so that they can adopt my point of view. Kwa hivyo hakuna kiongozi ataenda hapo mbele aseme ni yeye amefanya watu wakubali jambo fulani, and we want to make sure that the whole world knows these people who are here act according to the voice of their electorate, and they don't act because a particular leader who is not elected has told them to behave in a particular way. We are listening to the voice of the people, and whether you like it or not, it's the voice of the people.